Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about Gemini on Google Sheets. So we're going to go to sheet.google.com. It's one of the workspace tools we have, and like I said, this pro feature enables you to use Gemini on the workspace tools. So I'm going to come to the Google spreadsheet or Google Sheets. So here we have Google Sheets. Then you'll see your Gemini appearing here. When you check a free version, you won't see it, but this premium version, of course, you will see it. So here's Gemini, which is here to assist you on your Google Sheet. So here is what Gemini can do right here. So Gemini can create table for you, or like you can create a template for anything you want to do, can create cost center for you. It can do a whole lot of things, but I could still ask again, what can Gemini do here? What can Gemini do here on Google Sheet? Okay, so let's see what it can really do here on Google Sheet. So I'm going to have that sent. So it's going to give me a lot of use cases, what you can use Gemini to do here on Google Sheets, and we're going to look into some of them actually. So if you are a data analyst or you want to go into data analysis, this is a very good tool for you. So you can create table, or you can generate a template. That is very important. You can create formulas easily with Gemini. So you see, data analysis it makes data analysis easier for you. Generate data analysis and insight. Ask me to analyze your data and answer specific questions, or create static charts. For example, analyze my data to find top 5 countries by traffic volume, or analyze my data to create a bar chart of revenue by product. So you have build charts and graphs. You can ask me to create various charts and graphs based on your data. For example, create a chart with date on the x-axis and total on the y-axis. So you could have perform actions, can help with specific sheet actions such as add drop downs, add a drop down to column B, something like that. Create pivot tables, create tables showing total sales by product and region. Apply conditional formatting, yes. Add filters, sort data, summarize files from Drive and emails from Gmail. You can ask me to summarize content from your Drive file or Gmail. So these are things Gemini can do here on Google Sheets. We're going to look into some of it and see how we're going to utilize Gemini a little bit. Then you can go on to use Gemini yourself and see how it works on Google Sheets. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.